Rubini. I am the director of the operations of Water Europe, which is the European platform for water, is the recognized voice of water in Europe across its value chain.
How is your organization contributing to the Ultimate project?
The contribution to the Ultimate project is to support the innovation and innovative solutions for the challenge of the water sector.
What is your role in the project?
My role in the project is contributing in order to support the development of the innovation in the water sector, particularly for the industrial symbiosis, and to bring our experience through our partners, members, and backgrounds that Water Europe can give in the project because of the long-term experience in the water sector.
Can you give a quick summary or a quick explanation what I can understand
about
industrial symbiosis?
Industrial symbiosis. Well, what we see as industrial symbiosis is the ideal condition for which we apply the basic principle of circularity, for which instead of using and disposing resources, we adopt a good and an effective cycle where all resources are used, recycled, and are not wasted. We are going to use and reuse, recycle water in really a systemic way, and reducing the impact also of the utilization of water on the environment, because as much as we use water, then we have an impact on the environment in terms of emissions, in terms of pollution, and so on. So closing the circle, closing the loop, represents really the ultimate goal.
So what is it then, a water smart society?
It's a society where water is efficiently managed, where water is available in the right quality, in the right quantity, and the right time to each and every user, without compromising our environment, or rather preserving and protecting our environment and the ecosystems. I mean, we all know water resources are not endless. The boundaries of the planet, I mean, are clear, and we cannot go beyond, I mean, the limits that we already overcome somehow. But the benefit is really exploiting the new concept and the new approach of the industrial symbiosis and apply this to the real life.
Can you give a brief explanation what is a living lab?
Living labs means gathering together the different actors of a territory, of an area, which have the common interest of sustainable development. A living lab, and of course a water-oriented living lab, is the right place where research can be developed. Research can be transformed into innovation. Innovation can be then validated, tested, and the market uptake can be facilitated.
So what is the Water Europe marketplace?
We offer a kind of window to solution providers. We offer a window to the problem owners. They can be in touch with one another. They can interact. They can find a common dialogue in order to see if the offered solution can match with the problem. And it's a place where business is promoted. It's important because we invest a lot of resources, not only financial resources, in research and innovation, but we need really to fill the gap of this so-called valley of death between the development of innovative solutions and the market. Because the need for investment, there is the need for also making innovative solutions visible and available. It's important because it's a place where really we can support the transition between innovation and the deployment of the solution in the market. If we give to the marketplace this kind of characteristics, I think that the marketplace will be a win-win factor for the water industrial areas and sector.